अस्सलाम वालेकुम होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग वेल। सो आज हम न्यू वीडियो में एक नया टॉपिक पढ़ने को जा रहे हैं जो कि है हमारे पास transport of water. We can simply say that in it, the process by which water is raised to a considerable heights in plant has been studied for years. This result of such is known as cohesion tension theory. Moreover, according to this theory, the force which carries water upward through the xylem is transpirational pull. Transpiration creates a pressure difference that pulls water and salts from roots. When a leaf transpires, the water concentration of its mesophyll cell drop. This drop causes water to move by osmosis from the xylem of leaf into mesophyll cells. When one water molecules move up to the xylem of leaf, it creates a pulling force that continues all the way to the root. This pulling force created by the transpiration of water is called transpirational pull. It also causes water to move transversely from root epidermis to cortex and pericycle. Flowing are the reasons for the creation of transpirational pull. Water is held in a tube that has a small diameter. Water's molecule adhere to the small walls of xylem tube adhesion. Water molecules cohere to each other cohesion. These attractions make an overall tension among water molecules. The tension forms columns of waters. The columns of water move from root to shoot and the water plant content of the soil in these columns. Transport of food. Phloem is responsible for transporting food substance throughout plant body. The glucose formed during photosynthesis in mesophyll cells is used in transpiration and the excess of it is converted into sucrose. In most plant, food is transported in the form of sucrose. Like the concept of water movements in plant, movements of food in the plant has been studied for years. The currently accepted hypothesis states that transport of food is through pressure flow mechanism. In pressure flow mechanism, food is moved from sources to sinks. Sources include the exporting organs, typically a mature of leaf or storage organs. Sinks are the areas of active metabolism or stage or roots, tubers, developing roots and leaves and growing regions. A storage organ is capable of storing food and exporting the stored materials. For example, root of stem is a sink in last growing season but becomes source in next growing season when sugars are utilized in the growth of new shoots. Moreover, as source food is moved by active transport into the sieve tubes of phloem due to the presence of sugar in sieve tubes, their solute from oxygen increases and water enters from xylem via osmosis. This results in higher pressure of water in these tubes, which grows rapidly. This results in higher pressure of waters in these tubes, which drives the solution of waters towards sinks. At the sink and food is unloaded by active transport, water also exits from the sieve tubes. The exit of water decreases pressure in sieve tubes, which causes a massive flow from the higher pressure at the source to the now lowered pressure at the sink. Xylem is a one-way street from roads to leaves for water and soils. Phloem is a two-way street for foods. The direction of the movement of food is decided by supply and demand in sources and shrinks. According to the pressure flow mechanism, what is the actual force behind the movement of food in phloem? Drop in the pressure at the sink and plants need a lot of water. Young brassica plants take up an amount of water equal to their sugar short weight in about 5 hours. If that applied to us, we would have to drink 3 gallons of water an active hour to stay alive. So this is all about regarding transport of waters in it, transport of foods of water in plants simply.